Hey peeps! Welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta, and today it is that time of the month that we all know and love, where I get to open another witch casket. So this is the November witch casket for 2023. Let's get inside and see what they have curated for me this month. My goodness, I can already smell so many things. It's just amazing. Let's open her up and see what we get. Okay, so we can see straight away from the booklet on top that the theme is daily magic. As always, I'm not going to be looking at this booklet until the very end. I just want to have a rummage around and see what we get. Okay, starting off with the art card. There is an art card every single month, much like we've seen in previous months. These ones now come with a manifestation prompt on the back. So we have, what are my goals this month? What practical steps can I take to reach them? And what magical steps can I take to reach them? I like to use these cards as a focus for meditation, just something to center my thoughts on. Obviously they're also just incredibly beautiful, and you could definitely use them to decorate your magical space or your home as a whole, and either change them out or create a collection of cards each month. So the art card from each box will closely tie into the theme. Here we've definitely got a collection of witchy items. We've got a besom, a candle, a cauldron, crystals, herb bundle, cat, book of shadows, a self-love potion, a scroll, and a death's head moth. So it'll be interesting to see how these items might tie into the rest of the kit. Oh, this is something that I am very much all about. So we've got a weekly planner, and my goodness, they are not scrimping on how many pages they're giving us. I mean, I'm not going to count them. This is a weekly planner. Again, we've got the same imagery and style repeated from the art card. We've got notes, weekly manifestation goals, and then a space for each day of the week. So you can keep this on your desk, or you could take out a page and add it to your journal. There's really a lot of different ways that you could use this. Yeah, brilliant. Very nice indeed. Oh, hello. We have got some laser etched wood, sort of a plaque or a placemat where you can highlight your card of the day. So if I were to grab my deck, I could have a little shuffle. Grab myself a card. I'm going to cut the deck there and say this is my card, and I got the Tower. So that would sit there. I could then leave that there for the day, think about what that card means to me, what is that symbolism, and that would just keep that in my mind. And then of course the next day change it for something else. So really, really nice, beautifully made, and very, very unusual. Okay, we get our monthly ritual kit or spell kit. This one is Daily Gratitude, containing everything you need to show gratitude and manifest good fortune. Got a little bit of damage there, but it's fine. Ooh, hello. Okay, so we've got a little spell candle. we've got, is this a pen? It is a pen. Oh, it feels lovely. It's got little silver stars and a pentagram on it. Got a nice feel to it. Very smooth. Interestingly, I've recently discovered quite a love for odd shaped pens because they don't roll off the desk. So having this squared like that is very nice indeed. And the other thing we've got in here is a piece of parchment, which has got daily gratitude, light the candle and affirm. I send out joy and gratitude for my blessings this week, and I attract more blessings in the weeks ahead, as I will, so mote it be. So something that you're grateful for each day, and then just to affirm that in a ritual setting. And those are our little instructions, and again, just beautifully designed. We have an enamel pin, a little witchy hat. This one is very nice indeed. Single pin back. It is a black enamel, and you can see there are little herbs and leaves tucked into the band of the hat. Very nice. Where to go? Let's do the scroll. So I say this all the time, we get a monthly scroll. They are secured by a little sticker that, if you're very careful, you can peel it off. This one is Simple Daily Magic. So things you can do every day just to bring a little bit of magic and witchiness into your life. So something that I do all the time is stirring with intent. So stirring clockwise to attract and counterclockwise to banish. Yeah, these are great. I've talked a little bit in previous months about the ways that I use mine. If anybody else has ideas for how you're using your scrolls, do let me know down in the comments. I'm always excited to find out how other people are using their things. What have we got here? This looks like a crystal. We have got a piece of black tourmaline. Ooh, very shiny. So this is a lovely piece. So black tourmaline is the perfect stone for grounding and cleansing your aura. This magical stone helps rid you of negative thoughts and allows you to think more clearly, protecting the carrier from negative energy. It's got a really lovely feel to it in the hand because it's sort of almost cylindrical. It's got these two flat ends and then it is rounded, so it's very nice indeed. Yeah, really lovely. We have got some incense. So this is lemongrass and grapefruit for use with incense holders with ash catchers. Place away from flammable materials. So this is for cleansing. Light the incense and affirm. Clear this space of all negativity, as I will, so mote it be. And yeah, I think it was the lemongrass that I could smell when I opened the box. Oh, so lovely. So fresh, which sometimes I think, I mean, obviously perfect for cleansing, but with all of the warm and cozy scents that we think of for this time of year, I think sometimes we just need a little bit of a boost of something zingy and zesty to wake us up and make us a little more energetic if there's something that we've got to get on and do. So perfect for that as well. What are you? This is a lovely tin. It says Magic lies within. So what have we got in here? Oh my goodness, I have opened you upside down, I think. Yes, I have opened you upside down. Wow. So, Daily Witch's Brew Kit. So we've got this gorgeous metallic spoon in a black metal with a moon and stars design. Very nice indeed. We've got a little pentagram pot with loose leaf herbal tea, and we have got 3 fillable tea bags. So a useful kit to ensure you can have magical brews wherever you go. Stir clockwise to attract, counterclockwise to banish. Stir with intent and drink mindfully. So, refillable tin contains a joyous blend of orange peel and rose petals. Brew with intent and state the following. Vibrations are raised by this joyous brew. I will spread joy and attract it too. Steep for 2 to 5 minutes and drink mindfully. So, really, really lovely. And again, if you are going out to work and you want to take something a little magical with you to pep you up during the day, this would be perfect. And I really like anything that allows me to bring a little bit of magic into my everyday, and that's exactly what this kit is going to allow you to do. So, last couple of things. We have a daily awareness deck, a magical deck to raise awareness and encourage self-love, gratitude and intuition. Pull a card a day and encourage you to better appreciate yourself and the world around you. Obviously, this is designed to go with our card of the day plaque. Can I get these open without damaging the box? First time is always a little difficult. Let's have a look. So, just going to give them a shuffle. I'm not even going to look at what's on them. And we can see we got animals are important today. Be aware of any animals you see today or seek out the company of animals. Try to tune into them. Appreciate them as they could be trying to tell you something, or you may find them particularly grounding and healing today. That is lovely. I like that a lot. So other examples of these cards: tune into touch, relaxation, empathy, notice nature's gifts, be aware of music, strangers carry messages, connect with family, pay attention to children, someone may need your help, be aware of your own feelings, notice the positive, drink mindfully, notice the written word, be aware of nature, be aware of your body, take charge of your negativity. Art is everywhere, sounds and silence, and look to the sky. So a beautiful idea there, and lovely sentiment to those cards. So this seems to be the final thing, nothing else but noodles. This is an altar atomizer. Use this enchanting altar tool for your aura sprays, moon water, cleansing sprays and other magical mists. Let's have a look inside. Oh, see, I'm a sucker for a perfume bottle. That is gorgeous. Look at that, with those same, in the same sort of black design with star details, and then you can hear that's gonna mist out whatever it is that you put in there. So yeah, and it's refillable. It's lovely, really nice, feels good in the hand, feels great quality. It is made of glass. Yeah, beautiful, and would be, stunning to have sitting on an altar or next to your bed if you want a magical pick-me-up in the morning. What a lovely idea. Yeah, very nice indeed. And again, something really unusual that we've not seen before. So, the final thing to do, let's go through our little booklet and see. Okay, so Daily Magic. Here it is, our November casket focusing on daily magic, and we hope the contents inspire you to embrace your magic and use your power every day. Read through the pamphlet so you can familiarise yourself with this month's items. Ooh, the December casket is all we can think about right now. It's always one of the most sought after caskets of the year, and we're working really hard to make it extra enchanting for you. So now would be a great time to subscribe if you want to get in on that. So we've got our Witchy Weekly Planner, the Daily Awareness Deck, Card of the Day board for displaying Oracle, Tarot or my other magical cards, the Atomizer, the Brew Kit, the 7 Days of Gratitude Ritual Kit, Cleansing Incense, Tourmaline Crystal, Witch Hat Enamel Pin, Daily Parchment Scroll, Magical Art Print. This one, the art print, it says was designed by the in-house designer Faye. So that is lovely that they are letting us know who created the art as well. All spells and rituals were created by Witch Casket's co-founder Deb, who is an experienced practicing witch exclusively for Witch Casket. So there we have it. Really, really lovely. I'm so pleased, as always, with what I've received here. I always say I think that the contents of these kits are always so varied and so surprising, and I never feel like they've cheaped out on anything. So I would highly recommend that you consider getting yourself a witch casket if it's something that you're interested in doing. I am not sponsored or affiliated with them. I just really enjoy opening these caskets and sharing the contents with you all. So let me know down in the comments what was your favourite thing that I received from this casket, and also let me know if you are going to be subscribing in time for the December box. So that is all from me for today. Thanks as always for joining me. Please do consider to leave a like, share, subscribe if you haven't already. Pop over to the Crafty Coven on Facebook, and if you'd like to support the channel more directly, you can find me on Patreon, and there are goodies available for you. Huge thanks to those of you that already support me on Patreon. You make this so much better. Big loves. So until next time, stay crafty.